Ah!
What's that?
I don't know.
Oh, it's Biko. Thank you, Mama. Yeah, happy birthday, Marmar. Yeah, it's Marmar's birthday, and just give us some rice cake. It's pilit. It's mix of rice. We called it pilit. It's the different types of rice, and then put some coconut, virgin coconut. What are you looking, baby? Come on, you eat rice cake. Come on, go outside the deck. Go outside here. Come on. Go outside here. Kuha sa, bebe, kuha sa palihog tinidor, bebe. Ikaw. Utsara. Salamat. Come on. So, here it is. It's rice cake. Oh, I already explained that, right? Yeah, so the way it cook is quite bit long process, because first they're gonna cook the rice, then while while there's the coconut was been, it's a long process. You're gonna climb the coconut first, of course. And then the second, that's after that you're gonna grind the coconut until the milk will out, and then after that you're gonna boil that coconut milk, put some sugar on it until it takes few minutes or an hour to make that coconut milk sticky. And once it's sticky already and enough, and make it more tasty and good, then that's the time that you're gonna mix it with the rice that is already cooked. So after that, it's gonna be finished. And it's usually, when I was a kid, this is the usual food in our table: Christmas, New Year, birthday, because it makes life more sticky. Come on, darling. I remember when we have visitor, for example, prayer meeting when I was a kid, there's always been biko as a snacks, and then we're really eager to eat that, but Nanay said, oh, after, it's the visitor first before you eat. Before me and my siblings will eat, it's the visitor first that will eat the rice cake, and then after that, then we're able to eat. That's the that's the that's the setup before. The visitor first is the one who will eat first. Come on, darling, try. Come on.
Hard to say.
Come on, is your
I'm really
abstain
not-
okay?
Not thrilled
Stop.
with that.
Come on. Leave me alone just a while, Basha. You have a wound. I already give you some spray.
Look at that, it's so thick you can't get the fork out.
What?
It's
Come
so
on.
thick you can't get the fork out.
Ma'am, pwede mo hangyo. Okay. There's a message. Yeah.
It's wonderful.
Good. That's very good.
I'm so thrilled.
Can you let me eat, darling? Like in the movie, you put and then I open my mouth like that. Yeah, so please like, comment, and subscribe. It's very delicious, and at the same time, it's gonna be a full meal, because when you eat it, it's just like you have everything. Baby.
Baby.
Yeah, so please like, comment, and
Baby's
subscribe.
giggle.
Have a good day, and thank you. God bless.